Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the phone down and removing the SIM tray. This prevents accidental signals. Once done, heat the screen edge with an eye opener or low heat gun so adhesive softens. You want pliable glue, not warping. Use a suction cup and P2 driver to lift and open the display slightly, then insert a thin pick and slide around. Make sure to disconnect the battery immediately after opening to eliminate electrical risk before touching the Truedepth module. You now remove the metal bracket over the camera area and keep each screw in order. A labeled tray helps. Once the shield is off, photograph connector positions so reassembly is exact. Use a plastic spudger to lift ZIF connectors. Gentle pries reduce risk of tearing cables. When detaching the IR emitter, dot projector, and front camera, follow cable routing so lenses and sensors stay aligned. This attention prevents later depth calibration issues. You fit the replacement Truedepth module into its cradle and carefully reattach each ribbon in the original order. Once seated, reconnect the battery for a bench test before sealing. Power on and run camera checks and a quick face ID registration to verify functionality. Poor results usually indicate misalignment or a loose connector. If it fails, power down, receipt connectors, clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl, and repeat. Only then proceed to final adhesive and reassembly once tests pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.